Welcome to What's Inside the Box on ArmorGames.com. This is a puzzle slash logic slash problem solving game that requires brains and the ability to think outside of the box that we're currently working inside to find out what is in the box. We're going to fail miserably because I'm never very good at these things, but it looks like fun. So we're going to solve these puzzles and we're going to see how far we get over the next half hour. Yeah, let's see just how bad I am at solving problems. So, what's inside the box? Right, okay, this is apparently a puzzle, so get a hint. Well, just good advice. Oh, wow, that was easy. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, I can click on. Ah! Haha! Ah, you fiendish people. Oh, alright. So there's a combination here and there's a clue somewhere. What have we got here? We've got a pentagon, a triangle and a square. Ah, clever. That's the number combination, isn't it? 5, 3, 4. Yay! The number of sides of the number of corners. Oh, okay. So we've got knobs. Thank you very much. We've got knobs, and we've got. Oh, well, that isn't that difficult. There you go. Figured that one out. Right. Ooh, I love these puzzles. These. Ooh, okay. Oh, where'd that go? Ah, so it's a puzzle on top of a puzzle. Right. Okay. Boom! Circle! Yeah, oh, here we go. What on earth? Wait. Is that the combination? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That is that simple. Okay, what's all this? Ah. Okay. Well, that wasn't too difficult. Again. Huh. Yeah, just following that clue. Okay, so what's this? There's no clue on this one. Oh, wait, hang on. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at the number of notches. Right. Okay, so what's the clue on this one? B, C. No. Oh wow, the entire alphabet's in here. Okay, so where's the clue for this one? Where is the clue for this one? I have no idea. So this is why it starts getting difficult. There's no clues there. Let's get a hint. Hint, what level? 10. Ah! Clever. Okay. Oh crap, I missed the E. Okay, we'll go all the way back round. Right, so is that obvious? If there's no clue, there's always a clue, even if it seems like there might not be a clue. Have to remember that one. Okay. So what's? Okay. Huh. Alright. That's interesting. So that one creates it and that one sends it all the way around. Okay. And have to illuminate it all. Well, there you go. It pays to figure out how these things... Oh, crap. How these things work. There we go. Furu Resonio. What? What? I I have no idea what these things mean. I know neo means new. Scrambled words. 4, 0, 1. Alright. Why am I doing that? That's 0. Okay. So yes, that should have made sense, shouldn't it? No? Okay, so these all slot together somehow, I'm guessing? That one, then... no, let's that one and that one. No? Why can't I deselect them? That one, that one, that one, and that one. No? How did they go together? That one slots into that one. That one slots into that one. That one doesn't fit there. Okay then. Okay then. Press in a certain order. No kidding. No kidding. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. There we are. I was counting the number of points sticking out. Right, so what's this one? 3, 3, 4. Oh, okay, okay. So there is a way to make all of those illuminate. 1, 2, there we go. Left, right, top, top. Left, right. Or maybe it's... Yeah. Okay, I'm learning, I'm learning. Oh my god, there's multiple circles here. Okay then. Yeah, circular. Oh my god, okay, what's this do? 0710717. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 7, 1, 7. That was easy enough. 1, on. Huh. North. East. West. South. No? No news? Oh, fine. Wind directions. Well, yes, okay. North. East. West. South. That's what I did before. What? Okay, green. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. So we're making them all the same colour. Intriguing. I'm guessing that the colour that I'm supposed to be aiming for is green. Oh no, all the same colour, doesn't matter. Okay, so that's gonna be that way maybe? And that way, and that way, that way. No. That way, that way, that way. There, right. So yeah, just figured out the way to point. Oh my word. Okay, box. Box, 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 box. Box, box. I'm making those the shape of a box. Just because I can. Because I think that's what it's asking me to do. So this isn't a particularly complicated puzzle, but some of them are really making you think. Well, they're really making me think. Might be really, really simple and obvious to you guys. You might know exactly what's going on. I ain't got a clue, because I'm a moron. Yay! Right, oh my god. Okay, so last time it was 1... 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 3, no. Level 23 is complicated. What do I have to do? The puzzle piece only stays pressed when... Oh. Okay. I don't know when it stays pressed. Lamps lit in directions. The piece has parts sticking out. I'm a moron, right? I'm a moron. There we go. So that basically just completely spoon-fed me that. Okay. Heart. V up heart. What? What? So those numbers correspond to each other. 4 mirrored numbers. Not a clue. 2. 2 7 1 2. Do you see how that's solved? Look, put a line down there. That's a 2. That's a reverse. Well, that's a 2. That's a reverse 2. That's a 7. That's a 1. Ugh. Yeah, should have figured that out. Nuisance. Nuisance? What? Nuisance. 4 buttons in 4 directions. North, east, west, south. South, east, north, south, east. Oh. North, east, west, yeah. North, east, west, south, east, north, south, east. I did that, didn't I? Thought I did that. 1, 2. No, not a clue. Start at the dot and follow the line. Okay, so top. Down, left. So that's right. Down, right. Down, right. Down, left. Down, left. Up, left. Up, right. Up, left. Up, right. Up. So I was onto something. Box, box, box. Okay, so it's boxes within boxes. A box and a box. So that's a box. 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 There, we've got boxes there. Box. 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 They're all boxes. Box on top of a box. Boxes and boxes and boxes. Oh, okay, yeah. Right. There we go, look. Diamond sort of shit box. What on earth? Okay, so somewhere... What am I doing here? What am I doing here? Chess. Ah, chessboard. Okay, so we want one there, we want one there. Creating a chessboard. Yay! What's a chessboard? Isn't it? There's a chessboard. Oh, don't tell me I want it another way. Make the chessboard pattern you see in the top left. What? I don't see a chessboard pattern in the top left. Maybe I've just got it round wrong. Maybe. No? No? Let's try that one again. Oh crap. Right, so there's apparently a chessboard pattern somewhere in the top left. And I cannot see it. Yeah. Ah, okay, yes, there it is, right. That explains it. So, I need... Right, okay, that explains why I couldn't see it. So that's where it needs to be. So, let's get some of these up there. That needs to be that. Okay. Okay. There we are. Let's just... Where's the empty space? Oh, there is no empty space. There is no specific spot for the empty space, which is fine. There we are. Boom! Yeah, we've done it right. So what's happening here? Ooh, they're all good. I need to make as many of them green as I can. Okay. What's happening here? There's a colour sequence or something going on. What's happening? Make all the buttons the same. Yeah, I get that. But I can only change certain ones. Copy paste. Ah, clever. I couldn't figure out what was going on there. Let's go for green since we've already got green. Right. Well, that works. Count up all. Often S. What? No, I count up all. That's like the total, isn't it? Count up all levels. 30. One, two, three, four. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Good grief, is that it? Yeah, I solved all the puzzles. I had an awful lot of help there. So now what's inside the box? What's inside the box? What's that? Oh, sweeties! Nom 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 nom. Yay! Thanks, Bart. Wow, that was surprisingly thought-provoking. Oh, he says he yawns. Yeah, I'm just tired. Don't mind me. Well, okay. So that was what's inside the box. Turns out there's sweets inside the box, so those problems were well worth solving. I mean, it's virtual candy, which isn't as good as real candy, but we'll take it, we'll take it. Thank you, Bart, for making such an interesting game. You guys go play it. You go play it. I mean, you've just watched me play it, so you should be able to solve it without any of the hints. Go on, go do it. Till next time, though, guys, take care, have fun, and ta-ra. If you enjoy my efforts to be vaguely entertaining, you can now support me on Patreon. $1, a pound, a yen, a euro, whatever you've got, whatever you can spare, all helps. Over 1 million fed. Thank you for watching, and ta-ra.